Hello everyone and welcome back once again to Travel Shots by Preeti. So I am in Zlatibor, Serbia, and today is our very first day of sightseeing. This video is in continuation to my previous video where we visited Stopica Caves, the link of which is given below in the description box. So let's continue with our journey today. And now let's begin. After a short drive from Stopica Caves, we came to Sirogojno, which is an old village located on Mt Zlatibor, located near the church of St. Peter's and Paul the Apostle. We'll visit the church later on our way back. Now let's enter into this open air museum called Staro Selo, which means the old village. It gives you a very beautiful and interesting insight into the architecture of the houses and the traditional way of living of the people in the Zlatibor region. Houses from all over Zlatibor were brought here to be preserved as the place was declared as the cultural heritage in 1980. These log cabins are fully furnished and display the everyday life of people as we look at their utensils, clothes, shoes, and the way they stored their grains. This log cabin was used to store corn. As they were farmers, they used such cabins to store the fruits and vegetables that they grew. The greenery around and the open air museum idea doesn't make this place boring at all. We were very lucky to witness a Serbian wedding. The procession was coming from the nearby church. Visitors get an idea how the villages used to look in the olden times, as these cabins are not built but just relocated, and all the items are preserved and arranged in its original appearance. People here lived in extended family groups and had up to 50 members. You can also get a glimpse of the potters, carpenter, and many other artisan workshops. This is a cooperage. It's too dark inside, so I'm not able to show you. It contains wooden barrels which was used to make brandy. Plums were fermented and rakia was made, which is a traditional drink. And this is the blacksmith house. The tools used by the blacksmiths are all displayed here. And as you can see in a museum, information regarding each house is displayed on these boards. It gives you detailed information so you can read who used it, at what time, and what were the names of the different tools used. We found an actual Christmas tree. Wow! Look at those cows. I think those are cows. Far away, I'm trying to zoom in, but wow, isn't it beautiful? This is the old countryside Orthodox church dedicated to St. Peter and Paul the Apostle. The village graveyard is behind the church. When you walk from the parking to the old village, you will pass this church. There are some interesting icons inside the church painted by the famous icon painter Simon Lazovic. These are the little attractions in Sirogojno. If you are in Zlatibor, then you must visit the Gostilje waterfalls. This is considered as the most beautiful and the highest waterfalls in Serbia. The entry is very cheap and the parking area is very huge. After you park, you have to start walking down. There are many steps and there are bars to hold on both the sides. You can even find benches. If you're tired, you can sit. This is not just a single waterfall, but it consists of 2 to 3 waterfalls together. You can spend a lot of your time over here. The mountains and the greenery around with fresh oxygen takes you to a totally different level. It was afternoon and we were already hungry, so we came to a place called as Paso city. This was at a half an hour driving distance from Gostilje waterfalls. This is a theme park in the cowboy style. You will see replicas of a saloon, post office, a prison. You will also see restaurants, coffee shops, tents, caravans. You can even stay here overnight because there are restaurants, so there is no problem. It just looks like a movie scene or maybe a movie setup. If you are with kids, I'm sure they will definitely like to come here. So if you are in Zlatibor, do visit this Paso city. Now let's have a look around. These are the log houses where you can stay. It is like a treetop kind of accommodation. But we didn't stay here because we found the price on a little higher side as compared to the other Zlatibor hotels. There is a lot of entertainment even for children. You can see there is a small play area for them. I was shocked to see so many beautiful roses and in so many different colors. And just look at the size of it. I wonder nobody is plucking it. I wish I could take just one of this. Most of the things out here are made just for show. I don't think you can go inside them. And finally, we settled down to have our lunch. This is the traditional dish, local dish called cevapi. We ordered a variety of dishes to have a taste of the food and it was really yummy. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and keep watching for more of my videos on our Serbia trip. Bye-bye and take care.